Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking all about DocuSign and ways on how you can use it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to give you guys a bit of insight on what DocuSign actually is, so DocuSign is an app that allows you to input your signature digitally through the use of their app. So a couple of applications where this would be useful is if you were to import your signature, your written signature, into a legal document online or a PDF or something that you need to sign for. And there are actually two ways to do it, which I will show you right now. So the first one being the desktop version. So here's what you need to do. So you need to log in to DocuSign, and I should mention that there's a free trial as well as a uh, paid version for the app, but we're only going to talk about the basic functions that are provided with in the free trial. So what you need to do is you need to log into your account and click on new and then sign a document. So that's usually found on the homepage right here. And once the next step is to upload the document that you want to sign, and you want to click on sign right here, this blue button right here. So let's say that it's um, a terms of agreement document for a company that you want to sign for. So you basically just upload a file directly from your PC and click on sign. Now on the next page is where you actually get to import the signature. Now what you need to do is you need to upload the file for your handwritten signature. Now this is something that you can do by writing it either on a piece of paper and scanning it with a scanner, or writing your signature manually with a digital pen, like a Wacom or bamboo something, whatever you call it. So anyway, once you've done that, you basically upload the file for your signature and simply drag it across the box that needs to be filled with your signature, like so, as you can see here. Now next, you have two options. You can either save a copy of the signed document or send it directly to someone's email, as you can see here. It's a full name, email address, subject, message. And that's it, you're done. Now, as for the mobile version of this, what you need to do is you need to download the DocuSign app and need to sign in. And here, this one is actually easier because you're able to write your signature with just your finger. You don't need any special equipment to actually write it since it's a smartphone. So once you log in, what you need to do is upload a document uh, to DocuSign. And to do so, you need to click on Add and actually select the document from your phone's memory. Next, you will select Sign Now, as you can see here. And then here you get a bunch of options. You can either sign with a date signed, or your name, or what is this? The text is so small. A title, email, or whatnot. So you want to select on signature and basically go through the same deal and upload the signature that you made. And once you're past that, you're done. You're now ready to send the document. So yeah, that's how you use DocuSign from scratch. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel, as well as making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.